I feel a bit challenging to recognize and express my value. While I have technical skills, I lack confidence with leadership situation, and I just feel ashamed a bit that I'm not confident enough to speak up. So when I completed the program, I gained a clearer awareness of the leadership and management style. I'm keep working on my weaknesses, and I also keep working on developing my mindset and growth focused mindset. I can see I'm communicate more clarity and confidence as well, which also helped me to build relationship between the company and outside of the company, which is incredibly motivated, I would say. I'm taking more risk and I'm taking initiative. I'm trying to more vocal. I'm speak up. I'm standing here and talking with you as well, which probably a few months ago, I would just say, no, I'll pass. Thank you for the course. Thank you for your time, and I would just go. A course, it was kind of therapy to my soul.